Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're probably gonna hear my daughter making some noise in the background, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this intro short. I did pick up this palette from Walmart the other day, it was yesterday. I also got one of their highlighters and one of the blushes, so my lights are gonna reflect off of it really bad, but this palette is so freaking cute. It's so pigmented. Like, I kind of want to go pick up the other two because they did have 3 total, so this was just one of them. If you haven't tried these, definitely go pick them up. They're like $15. The blush and highlighters are like $8, I believe. I think, yeah. So definitely run to Walmart, see if they have these because these palettes are amazing, or at least the one that I've tried so far. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching.
Pas de soleil,
guys, so that was it. Like I said, these palettes, like this one anyways, it's the only one I've tried so far. This palette is so freaking good. The pigment in it is insane. It blends like a dream, so that's always nice. But yeah, found it at Walmart, so I'll definitely be going back and picking up the other two just so I can try them out as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We have a lot of stuff to do today, so if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos. I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.